First graders, we're ready. We're back. We're going to do some math. Are you thinking about it? All right. So get your hands ready. Get your toes ready. Get your tools ready in your mind. We're going to do a number talk first. Remember, number talks are mental math strategies. So you're actually not going to have your math tools out in front of you, but you might have them in your mind. Okay, so here we go. My first question is this. 10 minus 6 equals what? All right, so I want everybody to hit pause right now. What is 10 minus 6? On the count of 3. Are you ready to tell me? 1, 2, 3, tell me! Huh? 5? Did you say 5? Did you say 4? 7? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Here's 10, right? Everybody show me 10. Here they are. 10 minus 6. So maybe you thought about taking off 6 and you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you had how much left? 4. Okay, so maybe you did it like that. Or maybe you did 10 minus 6 and you did all 5 came off first and then one more. So that makes 6 came off. So 5, 6. Okay, and there's still 4 left. Maybe you did that. Let's check it out. What would it look like on hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 make 10. And then if we take off 6, oh, you can barely see that. If you take off 6, the whole hand may have come off, so that was 5. And then one more. So altogether we've taken off 6, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And maybe you just know that 6 and 4 make a friend of 10. So maybe you know that. Or maybe you did your 10 here on the 120 chart and you took off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we landed on 4R left. Whew. You could have done that. I don't know. What did you do? Can you write to me and tell me? Maybe you used a number line. That just popped into my head. So let's check that out. What would that look like? Where's my black marker? I don't even know where it went. Okay, I'm just going to use orange again. All right, so we've got 10. And if we're taking off 6, will we start with the 10 here or here? If we're going to hop back on the number line. So I want you to think about that. Where would the 10 go? So usually if we put a number here and we hop forward, we're adding. And if we put a number here and we hop back, we're subtracting. So let's try it with the 10 over here. So 10 minus 6 would be like this. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so each of these is worth 1 hop. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and we landed at 4. Okay, so 4 would be the answer for that one. All right, so let's try 20 minus 6. Now, I really want to find my black marker. Where did I put it? There it is, right there. Okay, so, oh man, you guys, now my black marker doesn't work. It's just my luck, right? That's okay. I'll keep using orange. We're in Halloween times anyway. It all works out. So 20 minus 6. So, whoops, I gotta put the number there. What is 20 minus 6? All right, everybody stop and pause. What do you think? 20 minus 6? All right, on the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I heard you that time. I heard you. Now you're too loud. Now you're too loud. Don't disturb my neighbors, please. Okay, so 20 minus 6 is, hi Chip, is 14. Maybe you used your 120 chart in your mind and you thought about, okay, if I started at 20 and I hopped back, maybe you hopped back 5, because maybe you knew if you went from 20 and you took off 5, you'd land at 15. Remember, we're doing this in your head. Or maybe you thought about doing 20 and then taking off 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you started by taking off 5, 20 minus 5 is 15. Are we done yet? We still have to take off 1 more. So maybe you split that 6 into a 5 and a 1 more. So you can do stuff like that too. Make friendly numbers. Can you find the friendly numbers? Okay, I think it's story time. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Okay, now I have to tell you though, we're gonna say hi to somebody, and this person I happen to know really likes these things called candy corn, because I had a chit chat with him about candy corn, and he couldn't believe that I don't really like candy corn, but he loves it. All right, so I'm gonna say hi to Hudson. Hi, Hudson, in Mrs. Maciel's class. It's nice to see you. All right, so Hudson had pieces of candy corn. He ate pieces. Okay, so Hudson had some candy corn, and then he ate some pieces of the candy corn. Okay. How many pieces of candy corn were left? Well, if I know Hudson well enough, he would eat them all. But his mom won't let him, so she's probably going to tell him to stop so he doesn't eat all of them. Okay, so Hudson had, let's see our number sets, 10 and 1, 20 and 11, 30 and 11. Now remember, if you are choosing one of these number sets, your strategy has to be strong. You need a strong strategy to move on to one of these. So let's say I have a really strong strategy for this number set. So maybe I'll choose this one. So Hudson had 20 pieces of candy corn. He ate 11 pieces. How many pieces of candy corn were left? All right, so I want you to imagine that in your head. Hudson, can everybody see Hudson's candy corns? There they are. There they are. Okay, now he's gonna eat 11 of them. And we wanna know how many pieces are left. Okay, kids, grab your candy corn. Grab your paper, grab your tools, grab your noggin. Take that with you and get that work done. I'll see you next time. Bye.